say mine comes from the struggle, the things that I went through, and some of those things were my own choices, my bad decisions, me thinking I knew it all and I didn't. But I put all mine in from what I've been through. That's how I come up with Miss Celia. I put it all in that, like things that I've been through. So I didn't graduate from high school, dropped out in 9th grade, and had a child at a very young age, and those were my foolish mistakes, and my child definitely is a blessing to me, let me say that, and she changed my whole life. When I had a daughter, that is, and it's different when you have a daughter because she's watching mommy and she learns everything from you. So I would have to say from my trials and the things that I've been through is what makes me best at what I do today.
That's good.